Okay, we're off for test driving this little moggy convertible. Morris 1000 Tourer convertible. What a lovely car, ready for some summer fun. All the lights are working, it's MOT and tax exempt, but it's still got a current MOT, it's still got its original number plate, which is valued at £1,600, be a shame to take it off. Sitting here ticking away nicely. Really nice inside, really nice. Interior, good carpets, good door cards. Bodywork's lovely, tyres are all good, chrome's more than acceptable. There it is, look. What a nice moggy, just ready to have some fun. Seat belts front and back, they've been added obviously for more modern driving. There it is. Good hood on it. Watch the rest of the video, see it driving around doing it's what it should do. It's looking for a new owner for some motoring adventures this summer. Okay, well, let's show you a short brake test. So I'm going to slow on the brakes from 35-40 miles an hour and see how we get on. Here we go, I'm going to brake now. And we've stopped as quickly as a Morris 1000 should do. We didn't pull to the left or the right. There's no weird vibrations. We'll carry on. Have a quick look here under the engine bay of the Morris Tourer. See, everything's all nice and clean and presentable. Absolutely solid down in the inner rings there. New radiators been recently fitted. All nice and clean as it should be. Just going to pull that dipstick out there. See, we're not spitting oil or anything out the dipstick. Still got lovely clean oil because it's just very recently been serviced. No breathing or anything coming out the top of there. All as it should be. Running sweetly. There we go, that's your under bonnet. Just got the mention while I was under the bonnet. Here's your serial plate with the proper MAT prefix, so it's a genuine factory convertible, is it? Okay, standing start, we're going to accelerate through the gears, up the hill, two of us on board. And that's up us into top gear, we're pulling uphill, it's running just lovely. Quick look over the hood, it's virtually a brand new hood, there's no damage, no wear anywhere at all on it. The plastic screen in the back's crystal clear. It's all as it's new really. Obviously not been fitted very long and certainly not seen much weather. And you can see inside how clean the hood frame is and how clear it is out the back window. So there's your hood, absolutely lovely, as good as new. Quick look in the boot here, you can see it's all nice and clean. We've got a jack and a wheel brace. Nice and solid, right in there. A lot of underseal in place, but it's all nice and solid. You've got a spare wheel there, it is just starting to show some age cracks, but it'll get you home no problem. We're going to do an underside tour of the lovely Morris 1000 convertible. We're going to start here in the front passenger side corner. Here's his tyre that's in good condition. I'll put the light on for you. You can see the brake pipe, the metal brake pipe's in good condition, and the flexible brake pipe's really good, as are the fairings. The ferrules, they're not all furred up or rusty. You can see around there again, the brake pipe's all good. Tractor and end bushes look okay, the bushes up there look good. There's no play in that wheel, spinning freely. So we're just looking the back. This is the footwell on the passenger side, the back of the wheel arch, all good there. Exhaust is showing a bit of age, but it's not blowing at the minute. The chassis leg coming back up this side towards the front's all really good. Got the overflow pipe from the new radiator sticking down there. Again, these bushes are looking fine. We come across this front cross member right across the front of the chassis and work our way across now onto the driver's side front corner. And again, we have another good tyre with plenty of tread on it. You can see in there that the metal brake pipe's good, the flexible brake pipe's good, the brake ferrules are good. All good on the trunnions there. And we'll go around the back. Yep, the rubbers are good. And there's the other side of the metal brake pipe. All good there. Inside of the footwell, back of the wheel arch, all very, very solid. We've got this car picked up on wooden blocks. If you're going to buy a moggy, buy it off someone who's prepared to pick it up like we've done. That's the other side sitting on the wooden blocks. That's behind the gearbox cross member. You can see here the chassis rail, whilst heavily undersealed, is very solid. On the side of the gearbox, some minor signs of oils as we'd expect. Same with the engine. There's the underside of the oil filter. And up there we can see the new radiator look. So that's good. We'll move into the midsection. As we come into the midsection, you can see here we've got a good jacking point. This centre cross piece, which is really important on these chassis because it holds these torsion bars in place, is all nice and solid. And the other jacking point's in good condition as well. You can see where I've got it picked up on the block there. This is one of the plates for the seat belts that has been fitted. So we're under the floor plans here. We see the diff coming, the prop shaft coming through. It heads towards the diff. This is the other floor plan. You can see another bolt there where the seat belt's been put in, and you can see how solid those outer sills are. So we've got the car picked up at the back on the rear spring hangers, which is a really important point on these cars. Signs of some previous repairs on the car, but obviously it's solid because that's where we've got it picked up. You can see more seatbelt anchorage points and fairly fresh handbrake cables here as we work towards the back of the car. Again, another good solid brake pipe there and a good flexi coming onto the back axle. No signs of any major leaks as we get to the diff. This is the other rear spring hanger that we've got the car picked up on. Again, signs of previous repairs. And as we come right to the back of those sills, you can see down there on both sides. Yes, there has been some repairs over the years, but it's all good and solid now. Who else would dare to pick the car up on the blocks like I've done? We've got new spring hanging bolts on this side, good suspension unit, all nice and solid right to the back of the chassis there where the back of the rear spring connects. The bump stop's in place up there, it's a new bump stop. Good brake pipe going across. Onto the other side, again, we've got new spring hanging bolts, new bump stop, good brake pipe, good suspension unit, a good link bar, and going right to the end of the chassis again. It's all nice and solid as we go across that back panel and take a quick look at the underside of the petrol tank. Again, another good tyre, spinning freely. Handbrake adjusters look fairly new, if you look in there. The last of the tyres here. Again, a good tyre, and again, clear metal on those handbrake adjusters. So there you go, that's your underside tour. Find another Morris 1000 for sale where they're prepared to go to that length to show you how solid the car is. We have got nothing to hide and nothing hidden. Okay, there's loads of moggies for sale, there always is. There's probably a good handful of convertibles on the market right now. We're not saying this is the best Morris 1000 convertible on the market, but what we are saying is it's the best demonstrated. We've got nothing to hide, we've shown you everything. It's a very usable and enjoyable little car. And if you like what you see, get
in touch.